So, what's up, guys? I'm Shazili, and on today's episode, I'm going to show you how I build the website of my startup, which is just like the landing page. So I can ship it out, and people can easily go to the website and see what my startup is all about. So, let's get into it. So, most designers use Figma to design their website and so on. So, as you can see, my canvas is always a mess. That's because I used to try out a lot of designs before choosing the final one. So, this is just like a culture to all designers. So you need to try out different things, you need to brainstorm, you need to check out ideas on different designs that are related to what you are building. So I mostly have mood boards. Mood boards are just like accumulating different designs in one place. So you can check out different sections you're about to build. You don't have to build everything from your head. Like you can just easily go to an existing design, copy and paste, but just copy and paste in a way that is not exactly what is there. You just find it like refine it or retune it. So that's it. So as you can see, I have a lot of designs which are like these are mood boards. These are mood boards. Like the designs I tried to copy, but I didn't copy the same. So these are also mood boards. These are like our team mood boards. These are some of my design mood boards. So you just have to check out different designs. So let me take you straight to my final to my website, to my design. So this is like the final design I came up with. Like I did a lot of process to be able to generate this. So this is how it is. So although I have two website design, which is this or this. So as you can see, these two have two different hero section. Hero section is the section that you first get when get to the website. And that's like the first page you get when you are visiting the website. That's the hero section. So the story behind these two hero sections is that this first one actually shows you what bad was like. With this image, this is the platform that give out items and so on and so. So this is an easy text for you to read and just understand what that is. This other one doesn't actually tell you that what VAR is all about. This one is just like giving you a text on what VAR is, and you can just easily search your items and just get it. But I finally went with this because I shared with other designers and they mostly chose this. So like this is the hero section. So like you just have the navigation by the logo, the home, about the service, how it works, contact us. This is like CTO, like you want to log in. So the same buttons are here to like log in and start. So let's go to the next. So this is like the company we are partnering with. If like you actually partner with them, this is just like the case story. Just I don't partner with this company, so I just get here. So that place will be blank. So hopefully in the future when I get partners, I just include them in the section like this. So and this is a section of how that works. So you need to have this in your website, mostly landing page, because that is what people are actually doing there. So they want to know how that works. You don't have to like explain with your mouth all the time. They can just go to the website and read about it, then they understand how it works. So this is another section that shows why VAR. So this also needs to be on the page. Why should there be VAR? There are other websites, there are other platforms that does the same thing that VAR does. Why should there be VAR? So you need to highlight this stuff to them so they can convince that let's use VAR, let's work with VAR, let's item. So the next page is like the featured item. So what items can we give out of VAR? So as you can see, there's a small text here. You can just read to understand how this section works. So and these are pictures of items, hoodies, food, and so on, kitchen utensils, gadgets, so things that people actually give out to people who need them. And people who need those stuff actually come to request for it. So this is like a section of what our users see. People who already use VAR, what they see like this is going to convince people that there are existing people that already use this platform and this is what they are saying about it. So actually let's also use it. You having this is just like the green flag for your website because it's actually going to help you. And the next section is frequently asked questions. frequently asked question is a very, very key section in your website or your landing page because you don't have people to like go to your website and need question and just have to come back and come into your DM and ask you that how can we do that? It's just like kind of like a turn off. So you having most question people ask on your website is just like a green flag to me. So I have a lot of frequently asked questions. What is VAR? How does VAR work? Who can use VAR and so on. So that's just it. This is just like a CTA section. We call it CTA, call to action. Okay, well, people are ready to do what? Make a difference. Then they just click on the button and just. And lastly, the footer section. Every website has a footer section. Every website has a footer section. This footer section is just like giving you links to like the navigation menus and the pages of the website. You don't have to go up and down all the time. You can just go here and just click on home. It takes you to home. You can stay here and click on about us, make it about us, blog posts and so on. Get in touch. A lot of stuff, the addresses and so on. These links are like quick links. You can just click on the Twitter link, takes you to the startup page, Instagram, the same thing and so on. And you can also subscribe to newsletter here by putting your mail and subscribe to newsletter. So that is it about my startup landing. This is the landing page website, not a functional website where people can go to donate items. Design. And why designing a website, you need to like also test it on mobile view. Most people actually check out their website on mobile because not everybody carries their laptop all the time to go out. So as you can see, this is the mobile view of the same design but different structure. So whenever a user is through the mobile view, they can have like this page format and not in the strong format of website. So as you can see the same stuff and just a different thing. While creating a mobile view, there are some items, there are some stuff you have to remove because not everything that's on web view that needs to be on the mobile view. If you can see here, like this frequently asked question has this 3D design here, and I just excluded it from the mobile view because I don't think there's a place that has to say so on. This is like the CTA and this is the section. So that's just it on how I got to design the website. Because if I was to hire a designer to do it for me, I need to pay a lot of money, and I did it myself from the logo, the brand identity, to the website, to the mobile app, and so on, just because I'm a designer. So you learning something like this is not like a huge advantage for you, except you have